Hey guys, while you're checking your daily metals prices on your phone, institutional traders are processing 500,000 data points per second. Welcome to the silent data war. And in case you didn't realize it, you're losing. Let's talk about what the reality is. You're checking your LME prices once, maybe twice a day. You're reading monthly supply reports, making purchasing decisions based on last week's news, and getting blindsided by sudden price swings. Their reality? Using AI systems that never sleep, tracking variables that you don't even know exist, making moves before the news even breaks, profiting from your predictable reactions. This isn't a fair fight, but here's what they don't want you to know. They're using satellite intelligence in real-time monitoring of operations worldwide, production capacity changes detected instantly, weather pattern impacts. They're using alternative data sources like social media and shipping container tracking, and energy consumption patterns and political speech analysis. They're using processing power that you cannot even fathom, like machine learning models trained on decades of data, pattern recognition across hundreds of variables simultaneously, and predictive algorithms that improve every second their risk calculations in real time. While you're playing checkers with yesterday's information, they're playing 4D chess with tomorrow's data. There is a clear cascade effect happening here. Early detection, their AI spots supply disruption signals. They position themselves slowly and quietly building up futures market positions. The news finally breaks, and the public learns what AI detected days ago. Then the price movement happens, the market reacts, but only the big players have already positioned themselves. And then everyone else is left paying inflated prices and scrambling for supply. So what's the real impact on small manufacturers? They're buying at the peaks, constant supply disruptions, and there's a margin compression from unpredictable costs. You're losing out on competitive bids because of this poor timing. But here's the thing. Technology isn't magic, and it's not exclusive. So what can you do about it? There are 3 levels here. Basic intelligence gathering. Use the free tools that track more than just basic prices. Set up alerts for key supply chain indicators and follow the right data sources, not just financial news. You can leverage your internal understanding of seasonal and cyclic patterns. Level 2, start using the democratized AI tools. These are the platforms that give smaller players access to similar data, AI-powered price prediction tools for small businesses, and risk management software that was once enterprise only. You can also leverage your community. Use the intelligence sharing among small manufacturers that gives you an edge. Level 3 would be strategic thinking. Build that supplier relationship and share intelligence. Create purchasing strategies that account for the data asymmetry, and use hedging techniques that don't require massive capital. Take all of this and time your purchases based on data, not on gut feelings. Let's get into the equalizer mindset. Can we agree on the following principles? Information asymmetry is the real enemy, not just price volatility. Small can be smart. You don't need their budget, you just need their approach. Technology is democratizing, so tools that used to cost millions now only cost hundreds. And community intelligence of small players sharing data compete with giants. And what is your competitive advantage? You get a faster decision-making process with no corporate bureaucracy. You have niche market knowledge that they don't have. You have relationships that are based on trust, not just algorithms. And you have the ability to adapt quickly to new information. The silent data war is real, but it doesn't have to be one-sided. Subscribe to this channel where we are exposing exactly how this game is played and giving you the tools to fight back. Next week, I'm breaking down the tools that are free and that you can start using tomorrow to level the playing field. Because this is war, Information is power, and it's about your survival. So hit subscribe and join the resistance.